Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to add GIFs in CapCut videos. Adding GIFs can make your videos more engaging and fun by introducing animated elements. So let's get started on how to add GIFs in CapCut video. First, download the GIF you want to use in your CapCut video from any source. Then open the CapCut app. Tap on the New Project option. Select the video in which you want to add the GIF and tap on the Add button. At the bottom of the screen, find and tap on the Stickers option. Tap on the image icon with a plus sign. This will allow you to browse your gallery. Find the GIF you previously downloaded and tap on it. Now, adjust the GIF in your video by resizing and positioning it as needed. And this is how you can add GIFs in CapCut video. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.